Hello everyone, welcome to our channel KN Academy. In this video, I am going to talk about the Cisco full hiring process, Cisco Apprentice Program. Okay, so if you have applied in the Cisco Graduate Technical Apprentice Program, then this is the exact process that you will follow. Okay, so you have to watch this video till the end, and you will get the full information what exactly you are going to do in this hiring process. So first of all, you will see the full hiring process. Like first, you will get this survey form. The next step the online assessment based on the job role, like based of the different roles, whatever you have filled in the application form, like survey form. After that, one interview will be there, like technical discussion will be there. So this is the step, like you have to complete 3 to 4 steps. This is the exact selection process of the Cisco apprenticeship program. Okay, so this is 12 months program. Okay, from the Cisco is providing for the freshers. Now we are going to discuss about exactly what is the survey form, how to fill the survey form, and after that we will talk about the online assessment exact pattern. Okay, so if you see the screenshot, this is the first form. Like after registration, first you have to register on the Cisco, right? So if you are registered, if you are shortlisted for this hiring opportunity, you will get this survey form like that. Okay, you can clearly see so many students got the survey form like that today itself, like Cisco technical graduates apprentice application form. This is the subject of the mail, and you will get the form link like this. Okay, dear candidate, greetings from the Cisco. Thank you for international Cisco apprenticeship program, 12 months fixed term training program. Okay, your profile is being screened for the technical graduate apprentice role. Okay, so basically profile screen means resume shortlisting. If you have shortlisted, then you will get this type of mail. And if you can clearly see, in order to continue with the screening process, we need to few additional details. Request you to fill the like below form before 22 like May 2025. Okay, so basically this is the link to form. So you will get the link of the application form. There you have to fill different details. Okay, they need more details from you, like your additional information, like whatever the rules you are applying. So in the survey form, what will happen, I will suggest you, basically there will be different job role, like whether you are applying for the software intern, right? And there will be DevOps job role also, like. So basically you have to choose the job role. Okay, if you want to go in the software intern as a DevOps and or blockchain cyber security, so there will be different job role. You have to fill the job role. You have to select the, you have to choose the job role there, right? On the basis of the job roles, you will get the online assessment. Okay, so basically this is the first step. You have to fill the screening form. After the screening form, you will get the assessment mail. Okay, so next step is the online assessment, and assessment mail like this you can see clearly. Cisco Apprenticeship Program online assessment details. So basically first phase or second phase already completed basically. So it was 21st of May, like today it was the online assessment. You can clearly see test date 21st of May 9:30 am to 60 minutes. Okay, so basically 60 minutes is the duration for the online assessment, and it was 21st of May. It was today only. Okay, technical graduate apprentice role under the Cisco apprenticeship program. Okay, you will find the instructions also clearly. You can see login 10 minutes before the scheduled test time. So basically if you are if you are giving the online assessment, then you have to log in 10 minutes before for the online assessment. This is the very important instructions for the online assessment. If you can clearly see important points to be noted. Okay, any request for the changing the test schedule, reattempts will not be intended. So basically, like if you are not able to process for the online assessment, sometimes like if you give the online for the Cognizant, TCS, so there is a chance, right, for the Cognizant reschedule the interview, reschedule the assessment. But in Cisco, in this case, there is no chance for reattempt or reschedule for the online assessment. So you have to be very clear that you have to complete in first attempt only, and you have to be patient. If you are like giving the online assessment, then. Okay, so basically this is the exam, and there you can clearly see the test will comprise aptitude based MCQ choice and coding. So there will be MCQ plus coding. This is the exact pattern. Okay, so you can see the pattern. Now I will talk about like exact pattern. First of all, you can clearly see like how you have to start the online assessment. So you can see like Cisco apprentice online assessment 21st of May. So basically this type of window you will see, and you have to click on the start test. Platform would be HackerRank. Okay, hackering followed by hackering. So basically the assessment will be on hackering platform. You have to complete the assessment. There will be MCQ plus coding. I will talk about the exact pattern. So you will find out the exact pattern here in the Khan Academy website itself. So you can find out the pattern here. Okay. So this is the exact pattern. Like the test will include aptitude based question like quant, logical, verbal, and technical. So technical MCQ plus aptitude MCQ will be there, and approx 50 questions will be there. Okay. Approx 50 questions will be there. It will include like quant, logical, verbal, and technical, and then one coding question will be there. One coding questions will be there, and language option may include like C, C++, Java, or Python. Okay, so if you want to give in Java or Python, C++, you can choose the language there, and you have to solve the coding questions. So in the online assessment mail also it is clearly indicating that the coding assessment and MCQ assessment will be there. Okay, now if I talk about the coding assessment level, so what is the coding assessment level? So if you see like coding assessment will be medium, I will indicate medium level questions will be there. Medium level question will be there. Okay, so you don't need to worry like there will be no that much hard question will be there for the coding assessment. It will be very medium level. Like if you prepare the array you can prepare, right? Array, it will from the string, numbers, and matrix. Okay, so it will be from the array, string, or mostly from the matrices. Okay, so this is the exact process like you have to follow for the Cisco apprenticeship program. Okay, after clearing the online assessment, you will face one round, that is interview. Okay, in the interview what you have to prepare. So basically how you can prepare for the interview, you have to just focus on the resume, what you have prepared. Like resume you can prepare, and after the resume your projects will be there. Okay, so in the project, like if you have mentioned like technical things, like you have done the project at data science, right? Suppose you have done the project at data science, right? So data science technology, whatever you have used in the project, that you should know. Introduction will be there, like technical abilities like programming, if you know the programming, right? So programming language you should know. Like if you are preparing for the Java, C++, so any programming language you can mention there. If you are expert in Java, you can mention this Java, like they will ask the question from the Java. And OOPS concept is very important. OOPS concept you have to prepare very well. And one database like SQL also you can prepare. All right. Okay, let me remove all the things and we can again write something. Okay, so basically what the brief information about the interview. So you have to prepare the OOPS concept from the programming language, one database SQL you can prepare projects you have to prepare. Okay, projects. Uske baad you have to prepare the experience. Okay, experience, it means internship. If you have any internship in your academic, then you have to prepare that one also, like OOPS concept, SQL, project, and experience. Okay, so this is the brief information, and the interview will be around all four sections, right? That is very important section. And once like interview mails are coming up, and I will tell you, definitely I will discuss, I will create a separate video the interview preparation also. But as of now you can see this hiring process of this school, like survey, online assessment, and interview. So this is the total selection process. If you have any doubt you can comment down, and I will create a video and I will solve your doubt also. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.